Hi, we're Mulholland Security Centers, also known as Gates Los Angeles. With offices in LA and Malibu, we've been serving area businesses and residences with fully integrated security systems, including gates and fencing, since 1994. Today we're going to introduce to you our Tandem or Telescopic gate system. These gates are ideal for situations where there is limited space on either side of the driveway for a standard sliding gate. Watch these two beautiful gate sections as one moves neatly behind the other as they slide back into a very compact space. A strong motor, capable of pulling the gate up the hill, and a chain and gear system make it all work automatically. This particular tandem gate was created to match various design elements already existing at the property. We can create similar gates in all styles, materials, and colors. We can build one that's just for you. We're sharing this video with you to show off. We're proud of what we do, and you'll be proud to work with us too. Visit our websites, mulhollandsecurity.com, gateslosAngeles.com, or give us a call at 1-800-562-5770. Let us help you on your home or business security project.